Step 1. How to complete the application form. Want to join University of the People and be a part of the education revolution that allows everyone the right to higher education? Here is a quick step-by-step video of the online application process to help you get started, so you can get a tuition-free, US-accredited university degree. To begin your UoPeople journey, go to our website www.uopeople.edu and click Apply Now. Start the application form by filling out the Personal Details section. First, enter your first and last name, making sure it's exactly how it appears in your official documents, such as your passport or ID. Then enter your email address. And finally, choose the academic field and program you wish to study. Click Start at the bottom of the screen to continue. Start by choosing the country, state, city, and enter the postal code of where you currently reside. Then, enter your phone number. It is important to get all this information correct, as we may need to get in touch with you in the future, and it could affect future academic decisions. Click Next at the bottom of the screen to continue. Don't worry if you have to rush out in the middle of the application. You can always leave at any step and come back later to complete the process. The system will automatically bring you back to the same point you left off. If you have any previous names, enter them here. Otherwise, skip straight to your date of birth, country of birth, gender, and primary language. Click Next to continue. Finally, tell us about your education history. Enter the name of the last institution where you studied, and select whether it is a high school, college, or university. Select the country of the institution and the year you graduated. Click the box to confirm you would like to be considered for admission. You will also need to agree for us to contact you so we can update you throughout your application process and throughout your degree. Finally, complete the form with your signature by simply typing your name and click Submit. Congratulations! You have now completed the application form and the first step to applying to UoPeople.